Today I am going to explain ICC Computer Science subjective questions. Few questions I have already explained and some more question I am going to explain today. These are the practice questions which you have to solve before your semester 2 exam. And you know that your exam is going to start from maybe in the month of February. So few question I have already explained. Now today few more question I am going to tell you. You can see in the screen differentiate between equal and double equal operator. So many times I have told you what is the difference between equal and double equal operator. Equal operator is an assignment operator and double equal is a comparison operator. Means when we used to write a equals to 5, then we are assigning 5 to a, whereas whenever we are writing the a equal 10, then we are checking whether the value whatever is in a is equal to the value on the right hand side or not. Here it is written, equal is the assignment operator used for assigning a value to a variable. It is the equality operator used to check if a variable is equal to another variable or literal. Example, int a equals to 10 means we are assigning 10 to a. On the other hand, when we are writing a equal 10, then we are checking whether the value in a is equal to 10 or not. Many times whenever we are writing the program of operators, then we are using this concept. We are checking the value using these logical operators. Now we have the second question. State the number of bytes and bits occupied by a character array of 10 elements. In today only in the morning time I have told you how many bits or bytes some data type is storing. So as size of character is 2 byte, a character array of 10 element occupy 2 into 10, that is 20 byte. 1 byte equal to 8 bits, so 20 bytes convert to 8 into 20, that is 160 bits. Like this we will convert any data which is in byte to bits. Now we have the question, what is the difference between binary search and linear search? This is the concept of searching. So we have two type of search, binary search and linear search. Linear search works on sorted and unsorted array. Binary search works on only sorted array, that is it works on only the sorted array, the data which is already sorted, either ascending or descending. Each element of the array is checked against the target value until the element is found or end of the array is reached. Array is successively divided into two halves and the target element is searched either in the first half or in the second half. That is the concept of binary search. Means in linear search, if we have to search an element, then one by one we have to traverse the element. But whereas in case of binary search, we used to divide the list into two parts. One part of the list will be sorted and another part will be unsorted. And we will compare the list of sorted and unsorted, and we at a time we will sort both the list and then we will merge the list when it will be completely sorted. So binary search takes larger time. Linear search is slow because we are comparing each element. Each element we use to traverse one by one to search for the whatever element we have to search. Whereas in binary search, we used to divide the list into two parts and we used to sort different list and then merge the list after we will complete the sorting. That's why binary search is faster. Now we have the next question. What is the output of the following program? String A equals to Java is programming language slash n developed by slash t slash James Gosling system.out.println under bracket A slash n I have told you that slash n is the new line character, slash t is for what horizontal tab. So Java is a programming language developed by James Gosling. This will be the output. Now we have the next question. What is the difference between break and system.exit? Both look similar. Break statement is used to jump out of the loop or switch case. Switch case में break का use होता है. Switch case, case 1 break, case 2 break, case 3 break, case 4 break. तो ब्रेक से हम क्या करते हैं, जंप करते हैं स्टेटमेंट में, और टू कम आउट फ्रॉम द एंटायर लूप हम क्या करते हैं, टू कम आउट फ्रॉम द एंटायर स्टेटमेंट वी यूज द डिफॉल्ट कीवर्ड. वेयर एज सिस्टम डॉट एग्जिट यहाँ पे जीरो होता है, टर्मिनेट द एंटायर प्रोग्राम, पूरे प्रोग्राम को एंड कर देता है. टर्मिनेट मतलब होता है एंड करना. ब्रेक इज अ कीवर्ड. सिस्टम डॉट एग्जिट इज अ मेथड प्रोवाइडेड बाय जावा स्टैंडर्ड लाइब्रेरी. मेथड का ये साइन होता है, ये साइन मैंने बार बार बताया है कि whenever we use this sign, we are using this sign, it means that that sign dictate that the keyword or whatever the thing is a method. Method वाले चैप्टर में I have explained many times that this sign we are using to represent method. Write a statement in Java for under root a plus b whole cube divided by a minus b. What will be the answer? So the question is, write a statement in Java for under root a plus b whole cube divided by a minus b. What will be the answer? Math dot square root, math dot sqrt, inside bracket math dot power. You can see math dot power. a प्लस बी का होल क्यूब है, तो पावर का मैंने आपको बताया था फॉर्मूला क्या होता है. जैसे ये a है और ये b है, तो a का पावर b है, तो ये मैथ डॉट पावर में a प्लस बी a हो गया और पावर हो गया 3, डिवाइडेड बाय मैथ डॉट एब्सोल्यूट, ये एब्सोल्यूट का साइन है a माइनस बी, फिर डबल क्लोजिंग. What is the value of m after evaluating the following expression? m का वैल्यू क्या? बाबू